Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Justice Emmanuel Aqua and this is Mr. J Graphics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to design a fashion festival flyer, a fashion festival flyer. So without much further ado, let's get started. So I'll go to File, New, and I'm going to create my size. So I'm going to use 2000 by 2000. Resolution, I'll maintain 300. Now press create. Now I'm going to use this picture right here, right? I'm going to use pen tool to remove the background. So I'll start from where? Let me start from here. Start from here. I'm going to use pen tool to remove the background. So I start from here. You see, before you use the pen tool, you have to know how to control your mouse. Alright, if you know how to use the mouse, using the pen tool will not be a problem for you. So just take your time. Because I want to get the line very well. So the nose, take your time to get a nose properly.
Music licensing reimagined.
And try to get an eye. The eyeshadow.
Artlist.io.
So just take your time and remove it very nicely.
Music licensing reimagined.
Then you right click, make selection, and you press OK. Make sure you select it, then you press Ctrl X on your keyboard. So after this, after removing the background, I'll send it back here. And I'm going to increase the size of this picture right here like this. Alright, so this is how it's going to be like. Now after this, what I'm going to do is I need to create my background, so I'm going to use this background. I'm going to take my shape, and I'm going to draw the background like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see the kind of background that I should give it to. So seems like I prefer black, or let me pick any color on the attire and see how, if it will suit
Music licensing reimagined.
So this color, let's see whether it suits the work or not. So I'm trying to pick any color. Like that. Okay, I think this is okay. No, let me use I prefer black, so let me use black for the work. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shape here, a shape like this. And now this shape, I'm going to take off, remove the field. If you want to remove the fill, you just click the fill color and then you click on this line right here to take off the fill. Then you come to stroke. When you click on the stroke line, then you select any color. So I'm going to select this color right here. Now after selecting this color, I'm going to increase the size of the color. So I'm going to increase. You click on this. So let's make it. I think this is okay for me. Yeah, I think this is okay for me. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in so I downloaded this this background here. So I'm going to try to use and see if this background will work out for me. Okay, so let me rotate it, click on it and flip horizontal, and then let's see how it works for me. Now let me select, let me change the gradient overlay and see how this is going to work out for me. Okay, it seems the overlay is not working out, so because it's black to black. So now what I'm going to do is I downloaded this background, so let's use this background and see how it will work out for me. So let me try this background and see how it goes.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so now let me bring it down here. Wow, it seems this look very nice, right? So let's get rid of this. And now I'm going to okay, so it seems this is okay for me. Wow, this is okay. This background is okay for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a gradient. So I'll click here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so I just created saturation. Okay, so this is saturation, right? I just created saturation. Now let me create gradient overlay, gradient map, and see how it's going to work out for me. Let's see.
Music licensing reimagined.
Whoa. It seems the gradient, I wanted to create something, but it seems it's not working out. So let's continue. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in going to type the details. So I'm going to bring this I wanted to use this background, so let me use this background. I'm going to create a clipping mask. So clipping mask seems it's not working. So let's maintain this. Okay, let's maintain this, or let's try okay. Now we change the overlay color to light, the blend mode color to lighter color, and that makes it okay. Now I'm going to type in the details. So I'm going to type fashion I'm going to type African
Music licensing reimagined.
Then increase the size. African, hold your Alt key, then drag. African fashion. African fashion festival. So I'm gonna write festival. Now the font I'm going to use is this font, tackling regular. So I'm going to use tackling regular. Then I'm going to increase the size of this. Then I'm going to remove the I from this and then create a space. I just created a space, all right, just a space. I'm going to bring this details right here, this picture. So I'm going to use my picture, my magic eraser. I just click on that and then remove it. Just click here, then you remove, you drag, place it here. Then I'm going to FX. You just click on this FX. Then you come to color overlay. You click on the color overlay. You change the color to something like this or white. Okay, let's choose white. So the festival, I think I'm going to use, let's use this font. This font, Polaroid font. I really like this font so much, so let's use that font. Yeah, this is okay for me. Position the image well.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now let's use this this font, hands, for the festival. So I'm going to scale the size to this level, and I'm going to push it down here like this. I think this font is so
Music licensing reimagined.
let me use okay, that's okay for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type these details right here. So I'm just going to type these details. Let me type the details right here.
Artlist.io.
Festival, African Fashion Festival.
Music licensing reimagined.
And just create my shape. Okay, now I'm going to write coming soon. Coming soon.
Music licensing reimagined.
So just change the color to, and then I'm going to type in some details right here. Let me decrease the size.
Music licensing reimagined.
We are going to celebrate this festival with a grand style.
Music licensing reimagined.
in traditionally. Okay, so now I'm going to change this font to, I'm going to use this font. Let me use Montserrat.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm going to make it white. Now I'm going to remove the space since the space in there is too much, so I just remove it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm going to create layer mask. Now I'm going to reduce my brush and brush up here, and I'm going to use a normal here.
Artlist.io.
Call or WhatsApp.
Music licensing reimagined.
/233 54 89 008899. Okay, then slash the number I'm using is, I'm just creating it in my head, not a rifle number. I'm just creating sick of this tutorial. So 233 20 567 9900. So I'm going to change this. Then I'm going to increase it.
Artlist.io.
Let me change the number font. Something like this.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so yeah. So guys, this is going to be the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much. Please do me a favor and subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye bye.